I'm Trinity Bird and I'm doing a course at Lewis, which is Art and Design Extended Diploma.
My name's Becca Goddard and I'm doing the Extended Diploma in Art and Design. The Royal Opera House Challenge is where you are given the opera that they will perform that year, and you have to either design a set for it, marketing strategy, costume, hair and makeup, or a prop, and you have to design all those things you get given 4 director's visions, so you get to choose which categories you want to design in. So I chose director's vision 4 because it talked about the mental health of one of the main characters in the opera.
The 3 themes of the opera, which was Director's Vision 2, so it was sexual attraction, jealousy and freedom. Fans represent sexual attraction, jealousy is represented by the trees that grow throughout the opera, and freedom is the bird in the set.
It started off with researching artists. I researched Gary McCann, who is a set designer, and I also researched Carlos Cruz Diaz, who is an installation and lighting artist, and that's how I got the inspiration to make my set all focused on the lights and the colours. Well, I was actually really surprised because I found out that when Trinity won as well, found out she won for set design, and I thought that was the only category, so I was really happy for her. And then James told us that I won the Director's Choice, and I didn't realise there was another category, so I was quite shocked that I won something as well. Yeah, I've learned from making this, I've learned how time-consuming making miniature models can be, but I really like the construction side of things, and I really enjoyed planning out how it would look like architecturally, and so that's inspired me to go on and do a carpentry and joinery course next year. So